Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Enjoy 60X, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find digital balance. And as you can see here, we've got the list, maybe not list, but the graph, which will show us for how long we've been using the device today. And as you can see, I've been using it for 26 minutes, which is 6 minutes more than yesterday. We've got also the apps listed, most frequently used. Of course, if you want to, you can tap on it and you will be transferred to the dashboard, which will show you for how long you've been using the device in particular hours. And you can also tap on last 7 days, so you've got the weekly report and you can compare the time in each day. Of course, you've got the list of mostly used apps. You've got also the unlocks count. What is more, here we've got the screen time management, and I highly recommend to check it because thanks to this you can set some timers. You can basically balance your digital life here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.